Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your speaker shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend it to check if you have the latest software version for your speaker. Open JBL Portable app. Your speaker should be connected with the phone and turn on. After that, the application open for you speaker menu. You need to scroll down and go to product information at the bottom. Right here we have software line. Tap at this line, and if nothing happens, meaning that you have the latest software version. If you haven't, it will open for you another menu, and at the bottom you'll find the button Install. Tap at this button and then wait until this update finished. Next step is to check is your phone have the latest software version. Go to the settings, it depends on the phone. On Android you need to go to the general, and right here you have software update. On Android you should go to the system, and in the system you will find software update for your phone. So you check for updates, and if you haven't the latest software version, update it. Next is to perform the software set. To perform the software set, we should turn off and turn on the speaker. At the top of the speaker we have power button on the left side. Press one time to turn off your speaker, and then press again to turn on it. Now the speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically, and with this method we can fix this problem. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so you need to try to go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and tap at your speaker at the device list. Then check if the software set didn't help you. We should perform factory reset. To perform factory reset, on the front side on your speaker we have play pause button and volume up button. You need to press and hold them simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now you can release your fingers, and then we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. But firstly I recommend it to turn on the speaker. Press the power button. We just turn on the speaker and the speaker enter to pairing mode. We know it by prompt, and also that the Bluetooth buttons start blinking white. Then go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and firstly we need to remove it, so information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Click forget this device or forget device or only forget button or unpair or remove, and forget device. And you will remove it. Without it, if you try to reconnect it, on iOS it will ask you to remove this device. On Android it will show you connectional trouble. After you remove this speaker, if you have Android you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button like on Realme. Tap at this button and you will see your speaker at the device list. Tap on it and we just reconnect it with the phone. If you want to reconnect it with the app, hide the settings, open JBL Portable app, and then you need to wait a bit. And as you can see, it automatically now reconnect with the app after we turn on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.